Hello everyone, this is Mr. Solutions. I'm doing this video as a guide to those people who are using their mobile phones to trade on FTX exchange. Okay, so sometimes you might want to have the desktop overview. Okay, you are trading with your mobile phone, but you want to have the look and feel of how it is on the desktop. So I'm doing this video to guide you on how to convert your mobile phone. Instead of you having the mobile interface, it will now give you the desktop interface. All right, so I'm logged into my website, to my account already. I'm already logged into, actually this is my tutorial account. Okay, so what I will do now is that I'm going to go to these three ellipses. Let me mark it out. These three ellipses here. Okay, here, please follow these three ellipses here, this one, these three dots there. Okay, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to tap on it, right? So when I tap on it, you see what comes out. You see I have new tab, in incognito tab, bookmarks, recent tabs, and all that. But where I'm going to is it's the desktop. Okay, it's the desktop that I'm going to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on desktop sites. So once I click on that desktop site, what happens is that instead of having the mobile interface, instead of the interface looking like a mobile, just as it would have been if it was a mobile phone, okay, so now I now have a desktop version of it. I'm now using the desktop version of it. So this is just the simple way for you to convert your mobile phone to give you the desktop interface. This is not just only on FTX, it's also applicable in every exchange you're trading, because naturally the configuration of it is that it's the mobile version. You see something like m dot or mobile dot whatever website you're visiting. But once you follow this procedure I talked about now, click on these three ellipses above here. Okay, go scroll down, look for switch the desktop. Already is on desktop. So what it means is that I can actually leave here. If I click on it, it will take me out of the desktop version. It will now still bring me to the mobile version. All right, so that's just how you can switch between your mobile version and the desktop version, so that even if you're not using a laptop or anything, you can always trade as though you are using the mobile, although you are using a desktop. Okay, so let's go back again, desktop, and then let's look at maybe one coin like that. Let's see how we are going to trade it. All right, okay, so let me look at let's say fil, FIL. Let's see. Okay, you see how it is, you see how the interface is now. It's just the same way it appears on a desktop, the same way it appears on a desktop. That's how this very one is actually appearing. All right, so I can equally decide to change it. Okay, I can just decide to change some things, that the way it is, I might not be very comfortable with it. I have the option of switching to another configuration. Right, so I'm waiting for it to load fully so that I can do what I want to do. Okay, okay, while waiting for it, you can just go to these settings, here. Let me identify it properly. The settings, go to the settings. Okay, go to the settings here, go to the settings. Okay, let me click on it again, go to the settings. Okay, so you can actually change your layouts. If you're not okay with the way this one is, you can equally make your changes and put it the way you want, hide, share, PNL and all that. You can just change it here. That's just it. And another good aspect of this thing is that you can even do your technical analysis on your mobile app. Okay, you can see that the TradingView website is already inculcated, is already there for you to do your TA from just using your mobile phone. All right, so instead of you switching to TradingView to do analysis, you can just do it here on the mobile app, on the mobile phone rather. Okay, let me change this thing so that it will give me another look. Okay, so I just unlocked it. Let me reset the layout. Okay, you see, so I've actually changed it. I've changed the layout. It's not as it was before. Now I'm having a different thing altogether. This is exactly how it does appear if you are using maybe you're using your laptop or your PC or whichever one it is you're using. Let me remove the volume indicator here. I don't think it's necessary. That can have yes. Okay, so I've removed it. Okay, so this is just a simple way you can alternate between your mobile and your desktop using your mobile phone, the mobile version and the desktop version. It's very simple. You can try it out. Just the only thing you have to do is just to, once you are logged in, just click on these three ellipses, locate your desktop site. You can see it here. It's already there. It's already showing here. Go to this place, tap on this place. Okay, then the next thing is that you locate your desktop site, as they've told us, they've shown you. Look at it here, desktop site. Check it. Once you check it, already it's whatever, you'll be taken to the desktop version of it. Okay, so this is just how to do it. All right, and then remember, like we said, you can equally if you are not okay with this, you can just switch to, like, the way this thing is. If you're not okay with it, you can even switch it to give you the higher version of it, just your normal buy and sell. Okay, you want to see the higher orders, you can just click on this thing, this arrow, this thing that looks like a refresh, icon. Okay, just click on it. This is what I mean here. This thing that looks like a refresh, just click on it. It will change the buy and sell interface. You will now have the advanced order types. Okay, so this is just how to do it. I hope the video has been educative enough, and it has helped you to know how to alternate between your mobile, the mobile version of the website you are trading or you're using, and then how to equally get the desktop version of it on that same mobile phone. All right, so till I come your way again, I remain Mr. Solution. Please do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for subsequent good content. I'll see you.